is nothing but the polynomial. In the place of the polynomial, what number means in the place of the variable, what number if you are substituting. Suppose I have substituted in the place of the p of x is equals to x plus 2 I have written, and p of minus 2, what is minus 2 substitute कर रहे हैं तो 0 आ गया. So this minus 2 को 0 बोलते हैं. 0 बोलते नंबर 0 नहीं है, पॉलिनोमियल का 0 है. मृगांक का कीप your mic off. So here this minus 2 is called the 0 of the x plus 2. So like that, whatever number if you are substituting and if you get 0, the value becomes 0 means if the value becomes 0, then we call it as a, we call that number, this number as a 0 of the polynomial p of x. It is called the, that number is called the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so the definition, if you see that, I'll write the definition. P of x is any polynomial if p of x is any polynomial and a is real number, this a is the real number, is called 0 of p of x when that number, the real number is na, that real number if you substitute in the place of the a का place में substitute कर लिया तो then you will get p of a is equals to 0. If you get the value 0, a substitute करें then a is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so and the main point you need to note that suppose second degree polynomial is called as, what do we call the second degree polynomial?
Quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Yes, very good. If you take the quadratic polynomial will have the at most maximum 2 zeros, not exactly 2 zeros. Do remember that. A quadratic polynomial will have the at most 2 zeros. Maximum 2 zeros will be there. So maximum 2 zeros will be there. Suppose there may be a chance of having the no zeros. There may be a chance of having the किसी नहीं दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
सर बोर्ड से ब्लर
है
सर क्लियर नहीं है.
आप जो बोल रहे हो वो समझ में आ रहा है लेकिन बोर्ड में जो लिखा है
हाँ सर बोर्ड में वो ब्लर आ रहा है.
बोर्ड में ब्लर आ रहा है.
यस सर पूरा ब्लर है.
Okay, maybe this is a signal problem only, I think so. I tried my level best to give the best, but it is not connecting. What can I do? Even I tried with my mobile and other things also. Data is also there. Okay, let's try. Maybe it may becomes very clear. Shall I try once again and rejoin again? No, I don't have. Please stop chatting among yourself here. If someone is asking something, do you guys buy the guide of maths? What is this? Antika? This is not the platform to you to chart the just like in the classroom.
Okay, sir.
Please stop chatting here. Is this needed to you to ask in the chat box? And everything will be recorded like this if you are doing. Don't do like that. Normal talk if you are having, afterwards you can talk. And if now you are having signal problem or anything if you are having, if it is blur, please you can message here. For that purpose only you can message. If I am not audible, if you are saying something, okay? So now here 0. Note point is what? If a polynomial is nth degree polynomial, okay? If p of x is nth degree polynomial, it is nth degree polynomial, then it have at most m zeros, maximum m zeros will be there. Suppose I will give you the one example to you. P of x is equals to x square plus 2. So can anyone tell me what can be the zero of this polynomial? Is it possible to have the zero of this polynomial? x का प्लेस में आप कुछ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो आपको जीरो नहीं आएगा. क्यों नहीं आएगा? x square I am writing here. I am writing x square here. So x square is nothing but, if I take here square, then what you can say here?
Sir, your video is not coming, sir.
सर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
इतना प्रॉब्लम है नेटवर्क पे.
So sound is not coming yet.
Now can you hear?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You people are lying on the bed. How nicely. मृगांका बेड पे बैठ सो के नहीं सो देखना है क्लास को. नोट करो. Keep the notebook in front of you and please try to note down. Okay? That's why you people are not showing your video. I know that. But that doesn't matter. But please note down what I am saying on the board. Even the video will be shared to you afterwards. But also you need to note down what I am teaching here by keeping the notes in front of you. If it is visible, Now, is it visible to you?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
It's not
No,
visible.
sir.
So today the whole class is the network problem. That's why.
Actually, the another problem is that most of you have joined in the class without using your G Suite account. I have seen you. If you use the G Suite account in your and directly in your Google Classroom, if you use a directly video symbol, then this problem, because all are, if you are using the G Suite account, the G Suite account is given to you using S.1883, whatever it is provided to you from the school, that account only you should use. Here most of the students are used their personal account and they asked me to admit. So good morning, sir. The principals are entered into the class. So wish the sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
So now let us continue. So the problem is that you are using your personal account that you don't use. Okay. So now here, what is given to you? Degree of the polynomial. Based on the degree of the polynomial, the number of the zeros. How many zeros will be there? At most, maximum zeros. So this is the second degree polynomial. This is second degree polynomial. So second degree polynomial will have the at most 2 zeros, maximum 2 zeros. So it may have the 1 zero, it may have the 0 zeros, it may have the 2 zeros. Some polynomials. This is the one polynomial will have the number of zeros for this polynomial. Number of zeros are 0. And if you take here x square minus 2x plus 1 is a one more example given to you. This is one polynomial. So this polynomial can be written as x minus 1 whole square. This polynomial can be written as x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So if this polynomial, if you are taking into consider, this polynomial is going to have the only 1 0, although it is quadratic polynomial. Because if you write it, if you see a minus b whole square formula, if you know, this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as x minus 1 whole square. This can be written as x minus 1 whole square. So x minus 1 whole square means in the place of x, if you substitute 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 square. So only one number, only number 1 only it is possible. Sir, it is quadratic polynomial now. You may get out it is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, if you are taking the quadratic polynomial will have the 2 zeros. No, not exactly 2. So do remember this. Quadratic polynomial may have the 0 zeros, 1 0 and 2 zeros. Some polynomials will have the 2 zeros also. I will write the one more polynomial to you. So this is one more polynomial I am writing, x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2, if you see that, if you are factorizing this, how do we find out the zeros? We learn it properly. We will learn it, how do we find out the zeros? So x square minus 3x plus 2. So this is one polynomial you are having. So this polynomial will going to have the 2 zeros. It is going to have the 2 zeros. So like this, the zeros can be either maximum 2. 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं होता, but कम भी हो सकता है. एक quadratic के लिए. Like the cubic polynomial, if you are taking into consider, cubic polynomial में भी ऐसा है. Cubic polynomial, if you are taking into consider, in the cubic polynomial, maximum 2 zeros हो सकता है, maximum 3 zeros हो सकता है cubic polynomial में. Okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see here. What about the zeros of the constant polynomial? Very interesting thing. Yesterday, Antika asked me. So this is a polynomial. P of x is equals to 5. What is this polynomial called? What is this polynomial called?
Sir, your blackboard is blurred, sir.
Linear polynomial.
P of x is equals to 5. P of x is equals to 5. What is this polynomial called?
Sir, linear polynomial.
No, only number 5. Yesterday I have given to you the one table to you, types of the polynomials. Only number I have given. P of x is equals to number 5.
Sir,
Mridanga?
one term polynomial.
Sir, non-zero
Huh?
constant polynomial.
Very good, Antika. Non-zero constant polynomial. Only not constant. Mridanga is trying to say only constant. But it is non-zero constant polynomial. We need
Yes,
to
sir.
say zero nahi. So now if you take this polynomial, can you tell me that p of x, p of 2 is equals to क्या होगा? p of 2 is equals to क्या होगा? Can you tell me? p of 2 is equals to क्या होगा? हाँ. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
here
Yes, sir.
p of 2 क्या होगा?
25.
p of x is equals to 5 means p of 2 क्या होगा? हाँ? So p of x is equals to 5 means p of 2 क्या होगा? Number 5 only because 5 is nothing but 5 into x
Sir,
power
5 ही
0.
होगा ना सर, क्योंकि उसमें तो कुछ
Yes.
वैल्यू शिफ्ट नहीं किया है.
Very good. Because 5 is nothing but 5 into x power 0. Because it is non-zero constant polynomial. The degree of the non-zero constant polynomial is 0. The x power 0 is there. So now here if you see that p of 2 means in the place of x, you need to substitute the 2. 2 power 0. 2 power 0 value 1. So this is 5 into 1. Again 5 होगा. p of 2 बोले तो 5. p of 2020 क्या होगा? p of 2020 क्या होगा? What do you get p of 2020? Bismita, yes. Maybe right or wrong you see, you say.
Sir, 5 sir.
Again 5, same.
हाँ sir.
Whatever the number you substitute, you are going to get the again 5 only.
Yes sir.
Whatever the number you substitute, again you are going to get the 5 only. So do remember that if it is like this, okay, so all the number 0, is there any possibility of getting 0? 0 आ सकता है, 0 आ जाएगा, 0 आ सकता है.
No sir.
No. So if you see that हमको 0 of the polynomial, इसका ये polynomial का 0 क्या है पता करने के लिए
minus 5. Minus
No.
5.
minus 5 substitute. No. There are no zeros for this polynomial. ये polynomial तो zeros ही नहीं होता है. Because आपको suppose you take p of -5 क्या है? 0 होगा, 5 ही होगा. Any number you substitute, you will get 5 only. You will not get 0. So that's why you can say that this, if you are taking it is equals to 5, as you are getting 5, then you can very clearly say that this non-zero constant polynomial will not have any zeros. There are no zeros for the non-zero constant polynomial. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
क्यों नहीं है समझ में आया? हमको आंसर 0 आना है, वैल्यू 0 आना है, So value 0 आना है बोले तो value 0 नहीं आ रहा है. So we are not getting the value 0. So we are not getting the value 0 is nothing but here there are no zeros for the non-zero constant polynomial. Non-zero constant polynomial का zeros नहीं है. और zero polynomial का देखते हैं. Zero polynomial का क्या होगा? P of x is equals to 0. P of x is equals to 0. Okay, students. So let us discuss in the next class. Actually, there is an emergency. One small problem has occurred. So I get a call here. I'll go. And please, one by one, leave the class. Fasting. One accident was occurred just now. I got information. Please, one by one, leave the class.